Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to go to settings, scroll down to the bottom, and then open other system settings. And here you have to select this option, factory data reset, and then confirm it here by tap on reset phone, and then confirm it one more time after you get to know with all this very useful and interesting informations. After that, your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.